Hello viewers. Welcome to a new tour guide. Today we will know about the state of Delaware in the United States of America. This is the first episode. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So let's go. Delaware is one of the smallest states in the United States and was the first to ratify the nation's constitution. It has beautiful beaches, and activities vary from business-friendly Wilmington to the rural southern parts of the state. Cities of Delaware. Northern, or New Castle County. 1. Claymont. 2. Wilmington. 3. New Castle. 4. Halkesson. 5. Newark. Central, or Kent County. 1. With much to see and do, Dover, the capital, is in the state's middle. 2. Camden. 3. Hallettsville. 4. Magnolia. Delaware Beaches, or Eastern Sussex County. 1. Lewes is known for its historic district. 2. Rehoboth Beach, its beach is known for being gay-friendly. 3. Dewey Beach is a famous beach for college students. 4. Bethany Beach is popular with families. Bethany Beach is part of what is referred to as the Quiet Resorts. 5. Fenwick Island. Southwestern, or Western Sussex County. 1. Bridgeville. 2. Laurel. Other destinations of Delaware. Delaware has beautiful beaches. The more popular ones are Rehoboth Beach, Lewes, Dewey Beach, and Bethany Beach. Delaware also has a pervasive and well-maintained park system. Most parks are free or low cost. Understand about Delaware. Despite being only 100 miles long and less than 30 miles across at its widest point and covering just 2,489 square miles, Delaware is a surprisingly complex and diverse state. The C&D Canal, which bisects the state two-thirds of the way up, serves as a sort of internal Mason-Dixon Line, separating the more urban and industrialized northern portion of Delaware, closely associated with the northern metropolis of Philadelphia, from the more rural lower southern part, which is more part of the Delmarva Peninsula and synchronized with the southern rhythm of Maryland and Virginia. Fittingly for a surprisingly diverse state, Delaware has a diverse economy, affecting the kinds of things available to visitors. The largest city, Wilmington, is a very business-oriented city. On account of Delaware's general corporation law, which is very favorable to managers of corporations, the majority of large U.S. corporations are incorporated in the state of Delaware and maintain a nominal presence in the state. Generally, this presence is in Wilmington because of its links to Philadelphia. This is especially true of banks, which also benefit from Delaware's laws respecting lending, and therefore maintain large workforces in Wilmington. Wilmington is consequently a very business-like environment. Most restaurants and bars downtown cater to those who work in Wilmington but live elsewhere. In contrast to Wilmington, much of the state is rural, and much of the non-agricultural economy is tourism-based. The Delaware coastline is a relatively popular destination for people from the region to go for vacations during the summer. Moreover, Delaware has developed a strong craft brewing tradition, with 7 significant breweries in the state. Understand the climate of Delaware. You might be from Delaware if you once thought that you might have a white Christmas. And then it rained. The weather in Delaware varies significantly from season to season. Summers are almost always hot, very humid, and unpleasant. Accordingly, the air quality is poor, but no more so than in surrounding counties. Winters can get bitterly cold, although it rarely snows heavily. Spring and fall are generally the most admirable seasons. However, snowstorms can arrive in April, and heat waves can hit in late November. Delaware weather is unpredictable. The only natural way to prepare would be to carry an umbrella and pray for sunshine. Average monthly temperatures range from a high of 85.6 F to a low of 23.2 F. Talk about Delaware. Due to its location as a border state between the North and South, people from Delaware have American English accents that vary accordingly based upon location and environment. Southern accents begin to be encountered below the C&D Canal and increase strength the further south you go. Accents in northern Delaware tend to mimic those found in Philadelphia and southern Pennsylvania. Get in Delaware by plane. Commercial airline service into Delaware is limited. Still, areas of the state are reasonably close to major international airports in either Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, or the District of Columbia. 1. Philadelphia International Airport is 20 miles or about a half hour to the northeast of downtown Wilmington and serves as the main commercial aviation gateway for most visitors to Delaware. PHL is accessible to northern Delaware via SEPTA Regional Rail. Passengers seeking to take SEPTA Rail from PHL to Delaware should take the airport line to a central Philadelphia station and purchase a ticket to Wilmington too. Baltimore-Washington International is less than 90 minutes away and has many national and international flights. It is accessible via Amtrak from Delaware, but no commuter regional rail line in Delaware connects. 3. Salisbury-Ocean City-Wicomico Regional Airport serves many visitors to southern Delaware's beaches. It is about an hour south and west of Rehoboth Beach. This is all about the first episode. Thank you for watching this video entirely. You can watch our other tour guides about the USA if you want. If you liked this video, I will repeat it. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.